Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Severe weather threat forecast for parts of the US could ruin your Memorial Day weekend. The weather across a broad range of the nation this Memorial Day weekend may not be too cooperative with organizers of parades and other events honoring fallen war heroes, or for what could be a record number of Americans traveling for get-togethers with family and friends. A short wave over the Rocky Mountains will conspire with a frontal system to provide support for heavy rain and thunderstorms in a moist and unstable environment across parts of central United States this weekend. National Weather Service meteorologists wrote in an extended forecast discussion. Short waves are pockets of energy that move east, generally at speeds between 20 miles per hour and 35 miles per hour. AccuWeather warns that a severe weather threat will hover over portions of the southern plains and can expand to north on May 23rd. Thunderstorms that could pack high winds, large hail, flash flooding, and a few tornadoes will extend from parts of Texas through Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, and Nebraska, AccuWeather says in its extended forecast. As the weekend progresses, the storms will slowly creep eastwards across the south-central states, says AccuWeather senior meteorologist. The target area could include parts of Mississippi Valley and the Gulf Coast on May 24th and May 25th and stretch into the southern eastern states by Memorial Day. Multiple tornadoes slammed communities from the mid-Mississippi and lower Ohio valleys through the southeast once again Tuesday and into early Wednesday morning, causing damage to homes and businesses as severe thunderstorms barreled across those regions. This marked the 8th consecutive day that severe weather caused widespread damage after an eerily quiet start to May, typically the peak month for tornadoes in the US. The official start to hurricane season in the Eastern Pacific began less than a week ago on May 15th. And right on cue, forecasters are keeping their eye on an area of low pressure that could form off the southern Mexico coast. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.